Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to fix Temu app crashing on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix your Temu app crashing on phone, first we'll be required to open the settings of the phone, not the Temu app itself. Open the settings of Temu app guys, and after opening the settings, navigate to the apps option over here. So let's scroll down and you can see the apps option available for us. Let's tap on the apps, and after tapping on the apps button guys, we'll land over here where at the top of the screen you can see the app management button available for us. Tap on the app management button at the top of the screen, and after landing over here, search for the Temu app on this interface. To do that, at the top of the screen you can see the search bar. Tap over there and type in Temu and open the Temu app on this interface, and this kind of interface will appear where we will be required to tap on the storage usage option over here just below the data usage. Tap on the storage usage button guys, and when you land over here you can see the clear cache button for us. Now in order to fix the Temu app crashing guys, this is the first fix. Try clearing your cache on your phone of your Temu app. To do that, tap on the clear cache button over here, and after tapping on the clear cache button over here guys, the cache memory of your Temu app will be cleared. With that being done guys, your Temu app crashing problem on phone might be fixed. So after doing this, open up your Temu app and check either it's functioning properly or not. And with that being done guys, if still the Temu app does not function properly, maybe it requires an update. So in order to check for an update available for Temu app, open the Play Store on your phone. And after opening your Play Store app guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the search button available for us. Tap on the search button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and to land over here where at the top of the screen you can see the apps and games option available for us with the search bar. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and search for Temu over here. And after searching for Temu guys, the Temu will be available on the Play Store like this. Tap on the Temu app, and you can see there is the currently uninstalled and the open button available for us. But in your case, if it required an update, there would be an update button available instead of the open, and you'll be required to update your Temu app on your phone. And after making sure that your Temu app is up to date, go back and open up your Temu store and check it out either it is functioning properly or not. And with that being done guys, after doing these two fixes, the final fix is if your app is still not running smoothly and crashing, open up the settings of the interface we had just went or opened momentarily or moment ago, and from over here guys, after clearing cache and updating it, if it's still not going smoothly, then try clearing the data of your Temu app. To do that, tap on the clear data button over here. But guys, before you do that, you need to know a thing, that is, if you clear the data of your Temu app, all of the data including your sign-in accounts, your Gmail accounts, your cards, your wish list will be cleared out. And with that being said guys, if the problem is severe, tap on the clear data and your Temu app will be resetted and start from the fresh new Temu app. And after doing that guys, check again either Temu is functioning properly or not. If it's still not functioning properly, then you will be required to reinstall your Temu app by uninstalling and installing the Temu app from the Play Store. Uninstall it and again reinstall it from the Play Store, and by doing that, all of the problems which were causing the Temu app to crash will be fixed. And the guys, this is how to fix Temu app crashing on phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.